Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I'm here with Christmas presents from my friend Steph, and I'm going to show you. She sent me little scissors to pick these up for me because she knows I always fussy cut. I already took them out of the package because I used them already. And she sent me a silicone, which is bells. Christmas next year. And she's bought me this. I laugh because she's had it a year. She asked me what I wanted for Christmas. I'm like, I don't know. She's like, what am I asking you? I already got it. And I laugh because her husband's got a red truck. And I always tease, is he sending me the truck? You sending me the truck? She did send me a red truck. Check this out. It's a shower curtain with a red truck with palm trees. Ain't that cool? So I'm going to be putting it in my bathroom. That's what it looks like. Isn't that cool? It's not Christmas, so that's kind of cool. So I'm going to redo my bathroom. I love it. So cool. It even has the little shower hooks. That is so awesome. Made by Holiday Home. Shower curtain with resin hooks. Buffalo plaid. I like that it's buffalo plaid. On the top. That's so cool. It's awesome. And I'm like, I want red trucks in I have trucks out all year long in my house, but I'm going to make my bathroom, red trucks all year long. Like at Christmas, you know how I decked it out for Christmas? I'm going to deck it out in red truck. I got some pictures that I've been given that I'm going to hang in there with the shower curtain and redo my bathroom. So thanks, Steph. And I want to thank each and every one of you for coming in, checking out my Christmas goodies from Stephanie. And maybe once I get my bathroom all decorated and done, I will share it. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.